Hi friends. So today's topic is the dimensions for the test pieces for WPQR. So we are going the WPQR as per standard 15614 and the sample for the test piece dimensions. If you think this class is relevant for you and for future many more welding theories, you can subscribe me and like me. So moving ahead, so first is the joint. Number one is the joint preparation, and you can see you can opt for different types of joint geometry. Like here, it is a single V, it is a single bevel. Here it is a square butt joint. You can also prepare it for double bevel, double V, like that. A is the width of the single test piece, and one size should be minimum 150 mm. Third is the B, the length of the test piece, that is it should be minimum 350. Why it is 350 I will explain in the next slide. T is the material thickness. So this T is decided by the PWPS, and the PWPS is derived from the drawing what actually you are needed for. And so what is the range of qualification need, so that T is dependent on that. So if you need to qualify a 10 mm plate and 15 mm plate or 20 mm plate, and you want to club a single WPS, so the thickness should be decided so that the 10 mm and 20 mm also cover the range. So now why the width is 150 more than for single side. So here you can see one side is 150 and this one also 150. Here see one sample is 150, second sample is also 150, so total is 300. So why it is 300 needed? Now see, when we do the transverse tensile test, transverse means holding is the in the middle and both are sides. So in the tensile testing machines, we need the length should be more than 200 mm to grip the two ends of the test piece. So that's why the length should be minimum 300, so that it will be easy for the tensile test specimen. And why it is the length is 350 more than 350. So there are many types of tests are carried out in a single test piece. For example, tensile bend test, impact test, tensile bend, macro hardness. Now see the locations where the test samples are derived from a weld joint. Now see, so you know that from both sides 25 will be discarded. So two tensile, two bend specimen need 80 mm length. Again two tensile, two bend need 80 mm, so 160 mm, and three sets of impact test require 80 mm. So total is 360 mm only left out. So if there is a failure in the test specimen, so what happens? You do not have sufficient material to carry out extra samples. That's why if you take the sample 350 more than 350, then you are safer side to make the extra test samples. Then we are going for the pipe weld. So pipe weld similar concept as a butt joint. So here you can see the tensile and bend where we have taken impact and additional test, one tensile and one bend, and macro from the starting of the weld. You can see this is the starting point of the weld, and same concept is having with same concept with tensile also. So for fillet welding, the test specimen length is similarly length is 350 mm and width is 150 mm, and here is the test specimen derived is 1 macro and 1 macro plus hardness. This macro plus hardness is derived from the starting side of the weld, and only macro is derived on the end side of the weld. So this is the simple test dimension explanation from my end. If you need further help, please follow me, and subscribe my channel and like my channel. If you need any consultations, definitely call me on kramaniranjan@gmail.com. Thank you. Two types of test specimens are required. One is the macro, one is the hardness. So when you go for the holding direction, so from the starting we need the sample which derives for macro plus hardness, and in the end of the holding the sample derives for the macro only. Here also the minimum requirement 150 and the length requirement is 350. So here length is not a mandatory for 350, but as per the standards the holder need to do a complete length of 350 mm to show the joint quality. So this is the test dimensions for the butt weld, pipe weld and the fillet weld. So thank you. आई थिंक ये आपको यदि रिलेवेंट लग रहा है, आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, then definitely subscribe me and like me, and if you need any further consultations, please write a mail to me on this email address, krramaniranjan@gmail.com. Thank you.